morning, you guys. It's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be filming a DIY photo shoot at home photo ideas video because I feel like a lot of people feel like their Instagrams are slacking right now. I know I feel like mine is, and I kind of think that's just because we have the idea in our mind that we can't take photos since we're stuck at home due to the current state of the world. But I wanted to show you guys some ideas that I came up with that are really simple and really easy and will make it look like you went out and took photos. These photos were all taken inside my home or right outside my home in my backyard, so keep that in mind while you are watching. And also, if you guys could pause the video right now and give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. And if you want, you can enter my giveaway by simply just subscribing to my channel and following me on Instagram because I hit 1,000 subscribers, and if you want to go watch that video, you should. And with all that being said, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so the first photo is going to be taken outside. I'm just wearing this crop top from Garage and these jeans that are also from Garage. And then I decided to just put on these two little bracelets on this arm with this Pandora ring, and then just this bracelet on this arm with this other ring that my mom got me. And then for necklaces, I'm just wearing this heart necklace from Pandora and then this little choker that I got from the beach. The whole idea for this outfit was to be like beachy inspired and make it look like more summery, so that's what I'm going for in this photo. And yeah, let's just go to my backyard and see how this works. For that photo idea, I feel like they didn't come out that bad, but overall I would rate it like a 7 out of 10 because I was going for a more summery vibe and they don't look summery at all. Maybe a little springy, but I think that's just because of the shirt I'm wearing because it kind of like pops. It was super cold outside on the day I decided to film this, and my mom couldn't take pictures for me, so I was using my phone, and I feel like it just didn't get the right angles. So for this one, I would rate it a 7 out of 10. It wasn't that bad, but it wasn't the best that it could be. I don't know if I'm gonna post these on my Instagram. Maybe I'll post them on my Visco, but either way, follow me. My links are down below in the description. Okay, so for photo idea number 2, I'm just wearing the same heart necklace and then just this cropped t-shirt with little like ruffles on it on the edges and up here for like a little cute accent, and then these little ties, and then the same jeans from Garage, and this shirt is from PacSun. If I could find everything, I'll link it, but I don't know if I'll be able to find it because I bought it a while ago. And then for jewelry, other than the necklace, I'm just wearing this Xoxo bracelet, which is from Tiffany. So for this idea, I wanted to use my collage wall from Tezza, and I see these all over Pinterest and I think they look really cool. If you don't have one of these walls, you can either put like newspapers up, I saw that on TikTok, and then take pictures and put in the newspapers, or just print out some cute visco-y, aesthetic-y pictures and put them on the wall, and then you'll have one of these walls. Or you can order the Tezza kit, but it is kind of expensive. So let's just go on to how these photos turned out. So for these photos, I think they came out so nice. I really like them, and I think the background of the collage wall just made a really nice and colorful, springy kind of feel. I absolutely love these photos and I'm really happy with the way they came out. For the next picture idea, I am just going to be taking some mirror pictures. I feel like those are really cute to post on Instagram stories or even on your Instagram feed. A lot of people have been taking them outside, so I might try to do both, but I'm only going to record the ones I'm doing inside because it's kind of hard to record outside. But if I do decide to do those, I will include those in the video. So for this picture, I'm just wearing this really cute dress from Princess Polly. I literally love it. And then I'm also wearing these sandals. I think it looks really cute, and let's just get right into the pictures. So for this mirror picture, I thought it was okay. I would rate it like a 6 out of 10. They don't look bad. I just feel like they don't look that natural. I don't know. Comment down below what you guys think. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys the pictures really quick, and then we'll go into the next idea. For the next picture, I decided to just hang up a sheet and then put a sheet also on the floor, and it actually turned out looking really good. I know that right now it looks a little crusty, but I couldn't get it to stay upright because my closet wasn't as big as the sheet, but I promise in the picture it looks good, and I definitely recommend this as well. So let me show you guys how it looks. these photos I think came out so cute and I really like them. I would rate it like an 8 out of 10. I'm a little upset that the background isn't more flat, but I know that next time I just have to tape it onto the wall. It wasn't staying up with the tape I had and I can't go out right now. But for next time, definitely tape it onto the wall so it's flat and maybe iron it. But I think the overall turnout was pretty good. For the next picture, I'm just wearing this black sweatshirt with the same blue jeans, and I'm gonna be kind of like laying down on my bed, and I'm gonna have a Polaroid camera next to me with all like other Polaroids next to me, like above the Polaroid camera, and I think it's gonna look really cool. I'm gonna have the picture be taken from above me and we'll see how it turns out. I don't really know how to describe it, so just watch. The things that we do for Instagram pictures. I literally have a ring light facing down on my bed. I'm gonna be laying like there, and then the Polaroid camera is gonna go around me. Ignore that mess over there though, that's not gonna be in the picture. Alright, so this is what the setup looks like. These are just really old Polaroids that I have. I have my Polaroid camera, a bunch of Polaroids over there, and then just some laid out, and I'm hoping this looks good. Okay, so that picture literally took me about like 20 minutes to take. I tried it for a good 15 minutes by myself and then realized that the ring light was just not working. The angle was so weird, and then the ring light started falling off my bed because I couldn't balance right. So then I called my mom and she didn't want to be on camera, so I didn't film it. But I think the pictures turned out pretty good after like 10 minutes of trying to figure out how to make this picture look good. You can't see your face in it, but I think it's a really cute like Pinteresty visco picture. So I would rate it like a 9 out of 10. And here is the final product. Okay guys, so for the next and last picture, I am going to be doing something I saw on TikTok, and I also saw a lot of other YouTubers have this idea as well, so credit to any of them who have used this as well. But I'm just using this empty toilet paper roll. This was empty, obviously. I didn't just like waste the toilet paper. And I'm putting it on the back of my phone, and it's nighttime now, so it's gonna make like a cool circle effect around my head, or at least it's supposed to. So let's test it out and see if it works. So I just finished the last picture, and I'll show you guys the setup that I had. I don't think it looks amazing, but I do think it looks pretty cool and aesthetically pleasing, if you will. This is the setup I had. I literally had the toilet paper thing taped to my phone, and then I just took the pictures through it. I think it looked pretty good. I also did take some pictures on my camera as well, just because it wasn't really cooperating, but I do think that the overall result was good, so I will show you guys what that looked like. Okay guys, so that about wraps up this video. If you liked it, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I had so much fun making this video, and it honestly like passed by a lot of time, which is always good because, you know, a lot of us are bored. We have nothing to do other than school or work if you're still going to work. So I feel like just taking pictures and dressing up and feeling confident about yourself is something that really helps pick up spirits and like lift your spirits and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.